my goodness, this is the sparkliest thing of life. I love it. What is up, beautiful people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my bed. I don't feel like standing up to film this intro. Quarantine got me hella lazy. But today, I just thought it would be fun to do a little DIY because honestly, I really was just in the mood to crystal something. I've seen these on Instagram and Tumblr, and there's some Jimmy Choo ones that are hella expensive, so I've never purchased any of those. I mean, it's no secret, I love bedazzling literally everything, and somehow I have never fully bedazzled a pair of sneakers, so today I thought it'd be fun to, you know, make my own. Broke bitch style. Ooh, I haven't said that in a while. I love it. I missed that. So without further ado, here we go. A quick little easy, fun DIY. Bedazzling some sneakers. Blinged out kicks, you better run, better run. I forget the words. Does anyone know that song? No, me either. Okay. Alrighty, so I guess I have to get up if we're actually gonna do a project. So, I'll get up. So yes, as always, before we get going, here's my outfit of the day. But honestly, today I'm wearing an oversized bathrobe because we can't actually go anywhere. So we're just gonna get right into the project. Like I said, we're making some shoes. So obviously, I got some shoes. Alrighty, so obviously the first thing you're going to need for this project is a pair of shoes. I picked these up at Target. These are just plain, basic, white sneakers. They do have this weird little design on the back, but that's really it. Super comfy, super basic and boring, and that's what you're gonna want. Something just very bland so you can, you know, spice it up. Alrighty, so here you go. You can see what the shoes look like before. Just plain, basic white kicks. Very cute, very basic. Kind of like Converse, but you know, more boring. Extremely comfortable too. Wow. Anyways. Voila! A fashion masterpiece. I mean, not quite yet, but it will be. You ready to give them a makeover? Yeah, I'm excited too. Of course, shoes aren't the only thing we need. We're also going to need, obviously, a bag full of crystals. Make sure you get plenty so you can cover the whole shoe, but I went ahead and got, you know, plain basic ones because for once I want to be classic. Of course, usually I would pick these up from Benjamin, but alas, since we're in the quarantine, I couldn't go visit him, which was so sad. But if you want to check him out, obviously his store is the best downtown, Imperial Trim and Bead. Tell him I sent you and he will hook it up. Ooh, so many colors. Wow, I missed the store. Okay, anyways, of course, it wouldn't be my DIY projects without our trusty E6000 glue, so we got that. I'm not sure if we're gonna need this or not, but this is basically like a fancy little E6000 glue, like specific spot putter thing. It's not that necessary, but it's kind of cool. And then this is a little wax pen that makes it easier to pick up the crystals. So you can just pick up the crystals like that, and then you can just place them, obviously, right onto the shoe. Boop. But those are the directions, and I'll get to those in a second. But basically, that is all we're going to need for this project, so let's get started. So again, here's a nice clear shot of them before so you can see. Alrighty, so first things first we're gonna wanna do is remove the laces so we have a nice blank, easy, you know, canvas to work with. So we'll just pull those out and put those over to the side there so we can, you know, get to crafting. So now that we have the nice blank sneaker, we're gonna go ahead and start on anywhere you want really, but we're gonna start on the outside. So we're just gonna take the E6000 glue, literally put it right onto the shoe. No rhyme, no reason, just straight on, glue a little blob on there, and we're just gonna get started. So then we're gonna go ahead and take the wax pen. You can see that just picks up the crystals super easy, and literally all you do is place it right on there and press it on. Boop, that's it. That's literally it. Then you just repeat the process and take the next crystal, put it above that one, take the next crystal, put it above that one, and keep taking the crystals and putting them onto the shoe. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da, until you start to get covered. You can do it up and down, side to side, however floats your fancy. There's really no way to mess it up because it's all going to be covered in crystals in the end anyway. But you can see we went ahead and make a nice little line right there. Then we'll just keep placing them. It's actually easier, by the way, if you kind of want to place them not directly above each other, but they'll look a little more natural if you kind of put them in between the creases of the crystals, almost like diagonal. It's really hard to explain what I'm talking about, but you can kind of see, or maybe you can't. I don't know. I'm not really the greatest at explaining things, but you get the point. So you can see one by one, the crystals will start to cover the whole shoe. Keep it up, keep going. Crystal one, glue one, dun 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 dun, until you cover the shoe. Cool. Now we're gonna go ahead, obviously, do the other side. So repeat the process until that's all covered. By the way, this takes a hot second, so, you know, take a break, dance around your house to some jams, play with your dog. Da-na-na-na-na. teddy bear. Oh, you're so cute. Bum, 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 bum. Boo! You know, get creative, have fun. As you can see, the time will pass and it will get dark outside. But anyways, now we're going to go ahead and use a slightly smaller crystal for the front of the shoe, though it doesn't really matter. You can do whatever you want. So go ahead, put some glue on there. We're just going to do the same thing. Crystal, 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 crystal until it's all covered. When you do the tongue of the shoe, make sure you leave the sides open just so it's, you know, still lace-upable and actually wearable. By the way, you guys can pick any color, any style of shoe. The same thing will always work. Any color, any shoe, get creative, have fun. You know, you can make hot pink ones or really whatever. Get creative, have fun. Make whatever your heart desires. And now that we've finished one, we're gonna go ahead and obviously just repeat the process on the other. So grab your crystals again, grab your glue, da-da-da-da, repeat the whole thing, until both of them are crystalled. Let those dry until it's nighttime. Alrighty, I think they're probably dry now, so are you guys ready to try them on? Let's see what they look like. Alright, so we just gotta relace those suckers up. Alrighty, here's a nice quick shot of them before we show you the finished product. Dun, dun, dun. Before, eat your heart out, kids. And ta-da! This is them after. Oh my god, these came out so stinking cool. Look at that. I obviously played around with them on Instagram for like a long time. Oh my god. Look how shiny they are. I'm screaming. Honestly, a fat mood. Look at that. So glittery, so shiny. The way it sparkles in the light. These came out so fire. Wow. Honestly, I'm shook. I did such a good job. Wow. Like I always say, not to toot my own horn, but toot, toot, toot. I love it. I'm so excited. They look pretty good. So let's try them on. Wow, my outfit of the day is even funnier when it's like this. It's like in a full-length glamorous mirror. Wow, Vogue. Okay. Anyways, are you guys ready for the Cinderella shoe? Ooh. Oh my goodness. These literally came out so freaking cool. Oh my goodness, I love them. OMG, these came out so cool. Look at that. Wow. Oh, ma'am. Yes. Woo. I am actually living. These came out even better than I thought they would. Look at that. You can see all the crystals and the sparkly and the shining. Oh, wow. Hello. Now that is glamour. But for real, you can see them walking. Wow, it makes my feet look like, honestly, like a walking party. So fun, so cool. Honestly, this was cheap and easy and literally took, honestly, like just a couple hours, and they look absolutely fabulous. Dun, 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 na, na, na. My shoes in the sky. Dun, dun, na, na, na. More glittery than the chandelier. Dun, dun, na, na, na. A mood. We love shoe modeling aerobics. Overall, I would say it was a smash success. Overall, I would say we absolutely frickin' nailed it. Wow. Absolutely. It's like Cinderella, but a sneaker. I love it. Do you like it, honey? You love shoes. Oh, you're just gonna sit there like a good man. Hi, baby. Hi. Do you like it? No? Yes? No? All right. Anyways. Look at that. They blend in so nice with the collection. Fabulous. Have fun, kids. Play nice together, okay? Oh, beautiful. Wow, I could look at this all day. Okay. Anywhoosie. All right, back on the bed. You know, we gotta come full circle, end the video how I started it. But there you have it, you guys. That was me bedazzling some sneakers. I hope you liked the silly little video. I hope you're staying fun and safe and healthy and happy and joyful in quarantine. I will see you guys very soon for another bedazzly project. And on that note, I love you. Till next time, sweet angels. XO. I'm Cinderella, and I've lost my slipper. Where is it?
Hello, Cinderella. I am the prince, and I've brought you your sneaker.
I don't think I was wearing sneakers. I'm pretty sure I was wearing heels.
No, you were wearing sneakers, and these are them. Let's try them on.
If you insist. Oh my god, a perfect fit. I knew I was destined to be Cinderella.
I have got to go outside.